Learn English to Gujarati travel phrases, my ticket, your phone, and
room.
basics. Welcome to the Great Gujarati Travel Mess. Hey, you are about to survive a tiny travel disaster and learn useful Gujarati at the same time. Good news. In this story, confusion is educational. You arrive at the station looking confident, which is impressive because inside you are 90% questions and 10% snacks. At the gate, you lift your paper like a dramatic movie hero and say,
આ મારી ટિકિટ છે.
That means, this is my ticket. Excellent start. Nobody arrests you. Then your friend suddenly pats every pocket, every bag, and possibly one nearby watermelon, and asks,
તારો ફોન ક્યાં છે?
Where is your phone? A strong question. A painful question. A very modern question. The hallway of pointing. Now you enter a building full of doors, arrows, and people who point like professional philosophers. Listen for who owns what and where everything is. A cousin appears from nowhere, points down the corridor, and says,
તેનો રૂમ ત્યાં છે.
His room is there. Then someone in the parking area points outside and announces,
એ તેની કાર છે.
That is her car. A helpful receptionist smiles at your tired face and says,
અમારું હોટેલ અહીં છે.
Our hotel is here. A second later, with the confidence of a person who knows where the clean pillows live, the receptionist adds,
તમારું ઓરડું ત્યાં છે.
Your room is there. Mini breakdown, maximum learning. Let us slow the chaos down so your brain can enjoy it instead of filing a complaint. You will hear the key phrases again with simple meaning. When you show your pass, say,
આ મારી ટિકિટ છે.
This is my ticket. When a phone disappears into the mysterious dimension of jackets and sofa cushions, ask,
તારો ફોન ક્યાં છે?
Where is your phone? When pointing to a boy's room, say,
તેનો રૂમ ત્યાં છે.
His room is there. When identifying a woman's car, say,
એ તેની કાર છે.
That is her car. When you finally stop dragging your suitcase like a tragic poet, say,
અમારું હોટેલ અહીં છે.
Our hotel is here. When guiding someone to their room, say,
તમારું ઓરડું ત્યાં છે.
Your room is there. When asking about availability, say,
શું મારું રૂમ ખાલી છે?
Is your room free? Hotel drama at reception. Time for a short dialogue. Imagine you are tired, your bag is heavy, and your dignity is hanging by a thread. Traveler. Hello, I am calm, elegant, and absolutely not lost. Also,
આ મારી ટિકિટ છે.
friend. Very nice. But more importantly,
તારો ફોન ક્યાં છે?
traveler. Please do not ask hard questions before tea. By the way,
અમારું હોટેલ અહીં છે.
receptionist. Welcome.
તમારું ઓરડું ત્યાં છે.
Traveler. Wonderful. One more thing.
શું તમારું રૂમ ખાલી છે?
Receptionist. Yes. And no, the cat in the lobby does not count as a guest. Random cousin in hallway. If you need Ravi.
તેનો રૂમ ત્યાં છે.
Person in parking lot. And if you need Neha.
એ તેની કાર છે.
Repeat after me. Now say the Gujarati aloud with me. Be bold. If you sound dramatic, that is perfect. Repeat.
આ મારી ટિકિટ છે.
Repeat.
તારો ફોન ક્યાં છે?
Repeat.
તેનો રૂમ ત્યાં છે.
Repeat.
એ તેની કાર છે.
Repeat.
અમારું હોટેલ અહીં છે.
Repeat.
તમારું ઓરડું ત્યાં છે.
Repeat.
શું તમારું રૂમ ખાલી છે?
Quick quiz, no panic. You are doing great. Let us test your memory before your imaginary phone disappears again. How do you say, this is my ticket?
આ મારી ટિકિટ છે.
How do you ask, where is your phone?
તારો ફોન ક્યાં છે?
How do you say, his room is there?
તેનો રૂમ ત્યાં છે.
How do you say, that is her car?
એ તેની કાર છે.
How do you say, our hotel is here?
અમારું હોટેલ અહીં છે.
How do you say, your room is there?
તમારું ઓરડું ત્યાં છે.
How do you ask, is your room free?
શું તમારું રૂમ ખાલી છે?
Friendly finish. You made it through tickets, phones, rooms, and one suspiciously organized hotel. That is real progress. Today you practiced useful Gujarati travel phrases.
આ મારી ટિકિટ છે. તારો ફોન ક્યાં છે? તેનો રૂમ ત્યાં છે. એ તેની કાર છે. અમારું હોટેલ અહીં છે. તમારું ઓરડું ત્યાં છે.
And,
શું તમારું રૂમ ખાલી છે?
thank you for learning with me. Keep practicing out loud, repeat the phrases tomorrow, and soon your Gujarati will sound smoother than a receptionist pointing to the correct door.